Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. There's an important update. The registration for Andhra Pradesh Management Quota seat and NRI seat is open now, and I will talk in detail about this state registration. We will discuss some questions like how much is the registration charge, who can register, the candidate who had registered already for Andhra Pradesh State Counseling earlier, do they need to register, and for which type of seats this registration is applicable, and how much is the fee. The fee is going to get incremented, and who can expect the seat, okay, and how much is bond, and how much is the stipend and all. So we will talk almost all details and seat matrix as well. So if you're new to the channel, first you can subscribe the channel, and you can look at the description, and you will find a link to join the Telegram group, okay, and you can avail our paid counseling guidance also. You can avail for state quota and all India quota. For government colleges, we will support you in NB diploma counseling as well, open state, private colleges, and deemed university, CPS, FCPS counseling process as well. So now let's focus on this Andhra Pradesh Management Quota admission brochure. So earlier we had done the registration for Andhra Pradesh category A. When I say category A, it's very important to understand what is the category in Andhra Pradesh. There are three different type of categories: category A, category B, and category C. Category A is nothing but a different name given to government seats in private colleges. Okay, so the last registration, or the registration earlier done by those candidates who had done their MBBS from Andhra Pradesh or having domicile of Andhra Pradesh or Telangana, they were the only eligible candidates, and those registration for government seat in private colleges and in government colleges. Now this registration is for admission into medical colleges or diploma in private colleges under management quota. Okay, so you can do the registration for Cat B, where the tuition we will talk about the tuition fee later. So the registration you can do, and it will be applicable until 15th of Jan. You can do the registration now only, and the choice preference will be, the date for choice preference will be notified later, because it will be dependent on all India quota counseling, or when the counseling process commence for all India quota. So right now you can do registration only. Okay, now these are the helpline number you can call for technical help or any kind of question that you have. Now let's move on to the eligibility. So those candidates who are from other state, okay, they need to qualify as a general category, need to have 302 marks at least, okay, and there is no reservation as such in management quota, okay. And you can see the seat distribution. Management quota seat will be 25%, and 15% seat is given for NRI seats. I am just pointing out the important points. Let's talk about, these are the documents you need to keep ready before registration: latest photograph, admit card and scorecard for PG, degree, the provisional MBBS degree, Aadhaar card, study certificates of MBBS, latest social certificate, means your category certificate, minority certificate if is applicable, internship completion certificate, your medical counseling registration from MCI or state counseling, state registration, permanent medical registration, okay, and for NRI is NRI sponsorship letter and other documents which are applicable for NRI, okay. The registration fee that you pay can be paid through debit card or net banking or credit card. The registration fee that you pay will not be refundable in any case. Okay, and these are the screenshot they have given how that will help you in doing the registration. So let's bypass all these steps. You can look at on your own. These are some certificate where they will be asking some number. You can look at it here. So fee, actually the registration fee that Andhra Pradesh and Telangana they ask, they charge is very high compared to other states. You remember in Himachal Pradesh the registration fee is of 1500, in Rajasthan is 3000, and mostly it will be around this figure only in all states. But in Andhra Pradesh is 10,000 plus, including GST, for those candidates who are outside, who are from outside Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. Candidate who acquired degree from abroad or FMG candidate, they need to pay 15,000 as registration charge, and those who are from who are local, they need to pay 7,000. Okay, and now those candidates who are selected, they need to pay a refundable security deposit of around 50,000. And the tuition fee here, which is very important point, the clinical degrees, all the clinical branches, the tuition fee is around 8.64 lakhs, and for paraclinical or diploma course 2.7 lakhs, for non-clinical 1.22 lakhs. This tuition fee is going to get incremented. There's a court case, and once the tuition fee gets incremented, then you have to pay the incremented tuition fee from the middle of the session. Okay, and for NRI seats, the clinical courses will be having tuition fee of 50 lakhs, for paraclinical 15 lakhs, and for non-clinical 8 lakhs. Okay, now let's take a look at some other important details, that is seat matrix. And talking about bond and all, in government colleges the bond is of 1 year. Here in private colleges there is no service bond. You need to there is no strict service bond, means they will ask you to serve, but it's not mandatory, but you need to sign a bond at the time of joining. So this is the seat matrix for total management quota and state quota, for minority and non-minority. So these things you can look at it. So basically you need to do the registration, and then choice preference will open. These are the annexures applicable for those candidates, is for a sponsorship certificate and some other like this is that you need to get typed on stamp paper and need to be signed from signature and witness. Penalty means fine of 3 lakhs plus GST need to be paid. So there is some kind of a training that you need to get you need to attend, and there is no service bond as such. Okay, so the important point here, now let's talk about expected cutoff. You can expect the tuition fee is very less as of now, but after incremental of the tuition fee you can expect like between 12 to 15 lakhs per year. It can be the tuition fee, and if your rank is around 20, 25 or 30, you can expect like up to surgery, and anesthesia in all such branches is expected up to rank of 44,000 or such. Okay, due to increment in the fee structure, the cutoff will also get impacted, and it will get lower down, means it will take positive shift. So depending on fee structure, final fee structure given by the as per the court decision, the final cutoff will get impacted. And in the first round, if you get any seat, okay, you can leave the seat. It's not mandated to join it. you can still be eligible for round 2. Okay, and candidates who are coming from Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, they can participate for both counseling. Okay, and so those who have already applied, that application is for category A seat, and if you want to apply for category B also, you need to apply this registration. Those candidates who are going for NRI seat, they also need to apply this registration. Okay, so if you have any kind of doubt, you can put your message in the comment section, and you can ring us or send a WhatsApp message to avail paid counseling guidance, which will be applicable until you get admission in Andhra Pradesh or some other states through All India quota or deemed universities, open state, CPS, FCPS or NB diploma. So thanks for watching again, and have a great day. We got a strike called off from FODA association, and we are hoping this time it's not just verbal assurance, because they have submitted the EWS report in Supreme Court, and Supreme Court will give decision on the given date, that is 6th of Jan. So we are waiting for that date to commence, for the counseling to commence. But state registration is equally important, and you need to do the registration for states as well in the given time frame. So this is very important registration for the candidates who had planned for Andhra Pradesh management quota. Any candidate from any state are eligible for this registration, considering they have 302 marks or more than that. So thanks for watching again, and have a great day.